Hi, I'm Dima. In this video, we'll cover one of the Kinescope's content protection features – watermarks over the player. There are three kinds in Kinescope: a logo in the player's corner, a static and dynamic watermarks. In this video, we'll set them up step by step in the workplace. Let's go! A logo is an image shown on screen the whole time the video plays. Go to Players, then Player Templates. Open the template you want to edit. On the Primary tab, find Custom Logotype and turn on the toggle. Click Choose Logotype, upload an image and add a title and a link if you need them. Click Save. The logo appears neatly in the bottom right corner of the video. But this format won't protect your video if someone downloads it and scales it up until the logo slips off the edges of the screen. For that, we move to the next level. A static watermark is text over the video that permanently covers the entire frame. To turn it on, in the Same Player template, go to Advanced tab. Find the Watermark section and turn on Enable Watermark. Enter the text, a company name, a website, the author's handle, whatever you like. Choose how it's placed on screen. With Random, the text shows up in different spots at a set interval. With Stripes, the text covers the video so it stays visible in any part of the screen. Then set the size, display frequency, opacity and style. Click Save. Check the result in the preview window on the right. A dynamic watermark is for cases where you need to pinpoint a source of a leak. If a recording ends up online, the mark shows right away who leaked it. In practice, people know this, which also makes them far less inclined to leak the content in the first place. This setup takes some backend know-how, so we recommend bringing in your developer or our support team. In the Player template, go to Advanced tab, find the Watermark section and turn on Enable Watermark. Next, go to the video that uses the Player template and copy the standard embed code. In the embed code, add a watermark parameter with a variable that will hold the user's data. For example, watermark user's data. On your server, in your CMS or LMS, set up passing the data into the variable, the user's email or ID. Place the code on your platform. Now, every viewer sees their own data over the video. The mark appears at random in different parts of the screen and doesn't disappear on pause or save. Done! The watermarks are added and working to protect your videos. That's it! For ways to protect content through video access controls and file encryption, see this collection and our knowledge base. See you on Kinescope. See you in the future.